Picture.
Picture tayo, children na! Okay na, bro! Chill ride daw. Lak! Chill ride! Hello everyone, good morning. It's been a while, it's been years, it's been months, it's been days. But it's just been months. Just to update you on my life. Last race, I got an injury. Actually, I sprained my shoulder. So I have been recovering for months, doing some exercises. And diba, I told you guys there will be a bike. So here it is. You might have seen this if you follow my IG. And let's go and take this out for a ride. But before that, I'm gonna show you how I unbox this and assemble this in Bike Hut. And then let's go. Hello everyone. Manisha guys, this is Ducati Super Enduro bikes. We have two, but only one is ours. Get that. So I opened them each just to check. This is what's inside. Yes, there's something inside. Yes, here we have. You can see the oil in suspension. Look at that. Happy. So ako lang i-check guys. I just checked it, and then there's some goodies. So I'm gonna take this to Bike Hut again, so that we can assemble it. I'm not gonna be assembling it. I have an injury. We have now arrived at Bike Hut, guys. Get the wheel set with the Pirelli tires. Here it is, boys. There's a box. Let's open this box. So what we have right here is, well, that being assembled, we have some manual, Ducati manual. The rims are Crank Brothers, so there are some papers for that. The Machina is Shimano, the engine. We have the Olin's fork guide, battery charger, FSA cranks. Okay, so we have some papers here. Yeah, Shimano EP8. We have some paint in case something happens. This is the Shimano charger. We have a Shimano charger. Oop. Nahali na. We have some stock pedals, some reflectors. Yeah, that's it. Ito ni siya guys. Mani siya fins. Ibutang sa ubos sa bike. Ano ni siya guys. But it depends. PS man din oh. Para sa kuha. Let's assemble this. Let's go.
12 seconds later.
Bike is done. Done is the bike. Look at that. Let's just stare at it first. Sound of the hubs. So this is the controller. How to turn on yung switch at the bottom. You just long press and then you hear a sound. Shimano steps. So this is the switch of the controller. If I go up, as of now, the motor is off. We have eco, trail, and then boost. So we only have 3 settings for the power: eco, trail, boost. And then if you press the bottom, you have some DST distance, you have audio, what's that, range. So sa eco, I can run for about 19 miles. Then time, average speed, maximum speed, cadence, you have the time. So muna siya, guys. So this is the charger, everyone, by Shimano, provided by Shimano. So this is the outlet. We find an outlet. This pansack. This on the left side of the bike, this is where you would charge it. So just pull this one, and you just look at, match it in this direction. Then you wait for this one to turn orange, and there's a beep sound. So that's how you will know that it's charging. So it's charging as of right now. If I try to on, it will not turn on. Yes, it will not turn on. If it's charging, it will not turn on. Look at that. I was just biking on my way home from Bike Hut. There's the bike. Let's just stare. Look at these Öhlins shock, 38mm stanchions, running 180 travel. We have some stance wheels, synthesis, 29 in the front with Pirelli tires, Scorpion. We have some carbon handlebar from Rental, fat bar carbon. Jor XT brakes, levers with an SLX shifter, some Ducati grips, Shimano controller with the Shimano motor, EP8. Cranks are FSA cranks, I don't know, with them stock pedals. I think I will just go ahead and change this. We have a medium, this is a medium frame with an Öhlins rear shock, running a 170mm of travel. Öhlins TTX, I don't know. Look at that, Öhlins. GS dropper hose. That. With a Sal Italia saddle, very hard. In the rear, we have a 27.5. This is a mullet bike, Scorpion 2.6 with tires, and then still the Crank Brothers synthesis, and then the hubs are also Crank Brothers. Then the Jor XT brakes, levers, and Ice Technology. This is Ice Tech. Rear derailleur is the Jor XT with a 1x12 Shimano drivetrain. That. This is it, guys. This is it. Let's just stare at it. Okay, so that was it. So after a month now, this is present time. Let's go to the leg 2 race. Don't mind what I'm wearing, everyone. I just came from church. Today is actually Resurrection Sunday. Jesus is risen. Bitaw. And let's just, I hope I can join the fun ride. I'm not gonna jump, of course. I'm still recovering. I can't take another accident again. Just to remind you guys, last time I've been here was the last video I uploaded, which is the race. So that was the last time I down in Balili. So what you will be seeing later, we will have the same experience. First time seeing the Balili. The Balili has changed so much. I hope. Let's be safe, boys. Let's go. I've been given a body armor for safety, of course. Let's go up. So regarding the category that I've joined, Yapil ko guys, and I have entered the fun category, which is, I think all of us will be released at once. So this is gonna be fun. Here we are. There's two stages. That one, the jumps, and then there is a left side, which is the chiller line.
Category na to diri sa 40 above. Please, kanan ang tadaan. Diri.
Second to the last.
Kita mo start, guys. Kimi Grande, everyone. Kimi Grande. Woo!
Okay, me.
Daan ni Sikad. Iya. Sapat.
Bunal Master!
Angyo.
Ang kape! Ang kape niya!
Bihar. Ganda. Oh, chill ride. Woo!
4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo! Woo! Hello, ligaw ka, Brad. Ligaw ka, Brad. Woo! Woo! Lagi Greg. Hello, Chada! Hello, Chada! Ducati flying. Ano saan ni Kuya ne? Hello, Chada! Hello! Wala pa sila. Nag-off niya akong e-bike. Pwede ba na ito? Ah, sige. Ayan. Chill ride! Wala pa sila. Following Doc P. Woo! Wala daw kuha. Dito na. Okay. Closing in.
Para madugol tayo ba?
Alright. Stop. Hello, stop. Hindi na tayo na. Hello, stop. Dagana. Word of the day. Hello, stop. Sudah kayo. to. Wala pa. And in the daydream and the night. Kada.
Chill ride.
Picture.
Picture na, chill ride na.
Daydream.
May document ilang pagkuhan dira.
Ha?
Ay, ngano day sila. Go.
Fire na, chill ride! Sa'yo na, Persay.
Kamo na kay mag-time ko ato mga bata man. Uy, dera.
Ay, mo na ako.
Una pa
Pasang video. Chill ride. Chillin'. Joke. Go dog. Go boys. Just slow down. Yeah. Woo! 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 Chill ride! Woo! Sudah nih, gatapan. Chill ride! Kada! Magabot ane? Halo mag-aali. Siya. Woohoo! the view. Yesterday.
Job.
Whoa. Dol, video ko dol. Patumba mo dol. Wala na yung content ba? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, chill ride. Malapit na. Okay, okay. Oh.
Up!
Yes. Yes. Yeah, we are technical section into the rocky section. Kani ka medyo steep. Discrash ako dire.
Alam pa.
Let's go. Whoa. Chill ride. Okay na, bro. Oh. Woo. Okay lang. Bike check. Health check. Nagtulod lang. Chill ride, yeah! Let's go! Nausob na. Medyo steep. Steep siya. Nice! Woo! Okay. Woo! Woo! Dira.
Okay.
Ah, di ko kaya!
Waiting for awarding.
The fourth place with a time of 7 minutes and 26 seconds. Enrique Bihar.
Fourth place, let's go. Yeah, fourth place.
And let's proceed to our third.
A few minutes later.
Is our Ryan Inar.
Look at these guys, chill ride.
Well, Vincent Pira. Rosel Sumagal.
I see bear. Ayan.
Dulmar Macalisang. Jay Bonilla. Boss Beef. Matt Montalvo. Angbo. Congrats sa itong mga chill riders. Sa itong mga pinapagdan. From CTO. Dagang salamat.
Hello everyone. We're home, so tired. Look at that. Yeah, the bike is nice. That's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.